Alright guys, this is the old Kopaki wing. We've done many projects with this, but we're getting ready to fiberglass this. We're going to make a custom mount, motor mount for the back. And this is the Horizon Hobby V900 motor and prop. We're going to run on the back of this. We're going to see what we can do with it. 4S and 6S. Alrighty guys, got our 2 layers of fiberglass on the bottom, and we're gonna let this marinate for, I don't know, we'll let it marinate for about 12-15 hours, and then we'll start on the top side. Got our fiberglass motor mount on the back, and we only epoxied this little fake canard because I don't know if it has a bad effect. We're just gonna pull that off.